How to find your comments on YouTube. Unable to locate a YouTube comment you made. YouTube makes it simple to search through every comment you've ever left on the site. You can access your comments on desktop and mobile devices. For both desktop and mobile, the procedures for viewing your YouTube comment history are the same. Launch a browser on your device. Go to this address. You can pause the video to write it down or copy it from the description of the video. Log into your account on the website if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will see a YouTube comments page with a list of all the YouTube comments you have ever left. You can read more comments by scrolling down the page after seeing your most recent one, which is shown at the top. You can remove a comment by clicking the X in the top right corner of the comment. Be aware that it can take a few hours for YouTube to completely delete your comment from the video. Click the YouTube video link next to the text that says commented on to access the video page and edit the comment's content there. Your comment will be highlighted at the top of the video page. Tap the three dots next to the comment and select Edit to make changes. Change the text of your comment and then click Save to save your changes. This is how you see all the comments on YouTube and change whatever you like. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.